Hey guys, I hope you're well. I gotta talk quietly. It's early in the morning, man. Oh, I started watching a video. Oh boy, the memories it brought back. The memories, man. Oh, the sickest party I ever went to at the clubhouse of Ballinger Park. The same clubhouse where I performed another Pink Floyd song for some friends, and I got too enthusiastic a reaction. I couldn't handle it emotionally, and I gave my shit away. I gave away my guitars. I'll be back, man. I don't know if there'll be any subs here at the channel left, but I'll be back. I want to tell you a story about pigs. Hey guys, I hope you're well. Hey man, it's 3:26 and 3:27 in the morning. Man, I can't sleep. Oh, you can see a baby boy's his back, ass in. Hang on, man. Man, I gotta tell you a story. Hang on. Sitting on the seat of this John Deere feels like sitting on your mama's lap. Man, I can't sleep, guys. After posting the videos I posted yesterday and today, how the hell could I sleep, man? Maybe if I tell you a story. I got some good ones. Right. I've got some terrible stories and some scary stories, and oh boy, let's call this one animals. The craziest, I'm gonna swear a little bit, man. The craziest fucking party I've ever seen in my life. I was 20 years old. I was in college. I worked part-time at a park. Should I tell you the name? Sure. Ballinger Park in Flint, Michigan. Worked there part-time, man. I was 20 years old in college, but you know what? I've told you guys before, man. I was a homeboy. I was a nerd. Yeah, I love partying with my friends. But man, come nighttime, I got homesick and I wanted to be home with mommy and daddy. It's sad, but it's true. So the clubhouse at Ballinger Park was being rented by the frat boys of U of M Flint. Across the street, now across DuPont Street, was the frat house. They didn't live there. It was like, think of a mini mall. It looked like a medical building, okay? 1 story high. And these crazy frat boy bastards, now they used to enjoy going up on the roof in the summertime. Shit, even in the wintertime with a keg of beer and throwing their kegger up on the roof of their frat house, man. So they rented the clubhouse for a party. Oddly, they rented it from 9 p.m. through the next morning. All right. And so Joe and I, we didn't have to do shit. Joe did most of the stuff, my friend Joe, getting it set up and letting him in. And the plan was I was going to go down there around midnight, see how the party was going. So I did, man. I just walked down there. I lived about a mile away. So Ballinger Park was a big park. As I approached the park, oh, I heard a familiar tune, all right. You know, I heard this electric guitar going, dun, 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 and I couldn't hear the bass line runs yet. And then I heard the electric guitar go up a register, dun, 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 dun. And I got a little closer, and sure enough, man, you could hear the bass, man. Down, 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 down. And I'm like, oh yeah, these boys are rocking. And it was Pink Floyd's Animals album, man. And I started walking through the park and I could see the clubhouse and I'm like, whoa, yeah, damn, windows are all blacked out, man. I got closer and closer. Yep, windows were covered with aluminum foil on the inside. Security guards standing outside the door, and I'm thinking, damn, never saw that before. Yeah, this is going to be a good party, man. I told the security guard, who he was drunker than shit, too, the security guard. Yeah. Whoa, hang on. The light timed out. I'm scared. Whoa, I paused you. Fired up Jed and turned on his headlights. The garage overhead light detected it. Turned back on. Where was I? Okay. Security guard at the door is already drunk. I'm like, shit, man, right on. I told him who I was. He let me in. Oh, the first thing I saw. Now, man, if you're sensitive, leave. Leave my video, please. Anyone under the age of 25, make them leave, please. Man, so I walked through the little office space of the clubhouse where only Joe and I would venture because we were employees. I'm like, damn. Before I even got into the room, I could see the shaft of visible through this doorway. What do I see? A picnic table, one of many that were in there. What was on top of the picnic table? Well, the groom. It was a bachelor party. The groom was on top of the picnic table on his back. On top of the groom was a young lady, and she was, well, I walked into the room, I looked around, oh my fucking God. I saw the first of several projector screens. This was in the year around 1980. Yep, it was in 1979 or it was 1979, I believe. Right? I saw the first of 3 projector screens. And what was being displayed on the screen by the projector? Animals. And remember now, the theme of the party was Pink Floyd's. It was Animals. Now, they were just using Pink Floyd's Animals soundtrack for obvious reasons. Ha ha, charade, you are. Holy shit. On the screen were animals, actresses. I walked into the clubhouse and I was handed a beer in each hand. Oh, right on, man, you made it. Bam, into each hand comes a tall glass of beer spilling all over. Come on, man, you get to go to the front of the line. You know what line I'm talking about, man. There were 2 of them. About 15 or 20 guys in each line. The head of the line was at the bathroom door. Men's bathroom and women's bathroom. A sentry standing next to the door. Hey, man, you get a freebie. And come right to the head of the. And man, the other two projector screens. I declined his offer, man. I was too shy. And I wasn't into venereal diseases and such, as fun as it sounded to a 20-year-old. Right? And, na 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 na. Dun, 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 dun. Do you boys have any idea the imagery that comes to my third eye in my mind every time I hear? I was reading the lyrics earlier and it just made me laugh my ass off, man. What a kick-ass album. Got another story about giving my guitars away in humiliation and shame. I'll tell you another time. Whoa. I pause you. Thanks, Jed. You're the best. So anyway, man, that's my story. Animals. Thinking of those three movies, they were true movies, man, on 16 millimeter color. Actually, a very nice looking image. And, well, anyway, man, I don't know who the animals were depicted on those screens. Who are the worst? Who are the true animals? The four-legged ones or the two? I feel like a true mower guy. That wasn't so cool. Hang on. I hear Blitzy snoring. Hey, man, I'm back inside right now. Oh, I feel so weird right now. Oh, I feel so weird right now. Big man, ha ha, charade. Oh, goddamn, man. Na, 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 na. I hope you're well, man. Take it easy. 73. And from now on, man, I'm going to be back. I'm going to take a little time to digest what in the hell I've just done with my singing in the night and my nasty story of animals and men. And I'll be back, and I'm going to focus on two things. The loop on groundwork and getting to work on the Heathkit HR 1680 with a frozen band switch, because my brother Art keeps driving me nuts about it, because his is frozen too. Take it easy, 73. Bye now.